Do you fuel your day the right way? In this video, healthy meal ideas for every occasion. Yes, they say, you are what you eat, and when it comes to maintaining optimal health and well-being, nutrition plays a crucial role. Indeed, planning nutritious meals can seem daunting, but with the right ingredients and recipes, eating healthy can be both delicious and satisfying. And in this video, we explore what to eat in a day, focusing on healthy meal ideas that nourish your body and fuel your day from sunrise to sunset. Now, if this is your first time to visit this channel, we would love you to join our community by subscribing to our channel and smashing the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos uploaded on this channel. Thank you, and welcome aboard. Alright, so, let's dive into these healthy meal ideas. And first things first, let's start with breakfast. Yes, kickstart your day with a nutritious breakfast that provides sustained energy and sets the tone for healthy eating habits. And here are some healthy breakfast ideas to try. 1. Overnight oats. Combine rolled oats, Greek yogurt, milk, or plant-based alternative, and your favorite toppings, like berries, nuts, and seeds, in a jar. Refrigerate overnight, and enjoy a creamy and satisfying breakfast in the morning, packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. 2. Avocado toast. Toast whole grain bread, and top with mashed avocado, sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of feta cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil. Yes, avocado toast is a nutrient-dense breakfast option, rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. 3. Veggie omelet. Whisk eggs, with diced bell peppers, onions, spinach, and any other veggies of your choice. Cook in a non-stick skillet until set, then fold in half, and serve with a side of whole grain toast. This protein-packed breakfast provides a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to fuel your morning. If you are enjoying this video, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now, what about lunch? Yes, for a satisfying midday meal that keeps you energized and focused, opt for nutrient-rich dishes that incorporate a variety of food groups. And here are some healthy lunch ideas to consider. 1. Quinoa salad. Toss cooked quinoa, with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, and grilled chicken or tofu. Drizzle with a homemade vinaigrette, made with olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs for added flavor. Bear in mind that quinoa salad is a balanced meal, rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, perfect for a light and refreshing lunch. 2. Grilled veggie wraps. Grill or roast a variety of vegetables, such as zucchini, bell peppers, eggplant, and onions. Spread hummus on whole grain tortillas, layer with grilled veggies, and sprinkle with feta cheese or tahini sauce. These flavorful wraps are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them a nutritious and satisfying lunch option. 3. Buddha bowl. Fill a bowl with cooked quinoa, or brown rice, roasted sweet potatoes, sautéed kale, black beans, avocado slices, and a dollop of Greek yogurt, or tahini dressing. Yes, Buddha bowls are customizable and versatile, providing a balanced combination of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats, to keep you full and satisfied. If you are enjoying the video, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now, let's come to dinner. Yes, it is important to end your day on a high note, with a wholesome dinner that nourishes your body and supports restful sleep. And so, here are some healthy dinner ideas to try. 1. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Season salmon fillets with herbs, lemon juice, and olive oil, then bake in the oven until flaky and tender. Serve with a side of roasted vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, tossed in olive oil and garlic. This protein-rich dinner is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, promoting heart health and overall well-being. 2. Stir-fry with tofu or chicken. Sauté tofu or chicken breast strips with mixed vegetables such as bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, and mushrooms in a wok or skillet. Season with soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and a touch of honey for sweetness. Serve over brown rice or quinoa for a complete meal packed with protein, fiber, and antioxidants. 3. Lentil soup with whole grain bread. Simmer lentils, diced tomatoes, carrots, celery, onions, garlic, and vegetable broth in a pot until the lentils are tender and the flavors meld together. Season with herbs and spices like cumin, coriander, and smoked paprika for added depth of flavor. Enjoy this with a slice of whole grain bread for a cozy and comforting dinner that is rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Still enjoying the video? Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Last but not least, a look at snacks. Yes, in between meals, opt for nutrient-dense snacks that keep hunger at bay and provide a boost of energy. And here are some healthy snack ideas to enjoy throughout the day. 1. Greek yogurt with berries. Yes, top a serving of Greek yogurt with fresh berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, for a protein-packed snack that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 2. Apple slices with almond butter. You can slice an apple and spread each slice with almond butter or peanut butter for a satisfying and delicious snack that combines fiber, protein, and healthy fats. 3. Hummus and veggie sticks. Yes, dip carrot, cucumber, bell pepper, and celery sticks into hummus for a crunchy and nutritious snack that is packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. Do you have any comment on these healthy meal ideas? If you do, let us know them in the comments section below. And in conclusion, remember that eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or boring. By incorporating these foods into your meals, you can achieve your healthy eating goals. And as always, if you have any health concerns with any of these foods, consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist for personalized guidance and recommendations. Now, if you discovered valuable insights in this video, show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos uploaded on this channel. Thank you for watching.